In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add an email subscription form in WordPress. A well-designed email form can be a game changer, helping you connect with your audience, send regular updates, and drive more traffic to your site. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, hover over Plugins and click Add New. This will take you to the plugin library where you can explore tools to enhance your website. In the search bar, type the name of a popular email marketing or form plugin. Some excellent options include Fluent Forms, MailPoet, or Opt-in Monster. Look for a plugin with positive reviews and a high number of active installations. These are good indicators of reliability. Once you've found the plugin you want, click Install Now, and after the installation, click Activate. This will enable the plugin and make it ready for configuration. With the plugin active, you can now customize your email subscription form. Most plugins offer templates and customization options, allowing you to match the form to your website's theme and style. Spend some time exploring the plugin settings to configure fields, appearance, and functionality to suit your needs. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added an email subscription form to your WordPress site. You're now ready to engage your audience, share updates, and grow your email list efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.